Every law firm we talk to has this story. The managing partner wants better reporting. Operations wants cleaner handoffs. Intake wants to stop doing triple data entry. Marketing wants to know which campaigns actually close cases. IT is being pulled in six directions, and every vendor they have talked to showed up with a tool already in hand. That is not a strategy problem. That is a decision problem. Building is now cheap and fast. A developer or an AI tool can ship in weeks what used to take months. That sounds like good news. It is not if the plan is wrong, because now you can build the wrong system faster than ever. The risk did not go away. It moved upstream to the design phase, and most firms are skipping that phase entirely. When a firm skips the architecture phase and goes straight to build, you get expensive ambiguity locked inside a live system, fields nobody owns, pipelines that do not match how work actually moves, reports leadership does not trust, and a development team that cannot get a clear answer on what to build next because nobody wrote it down before the project started. The revenue architecture blueprint is a structured decision document, not a project plan and not a slide deck. It tells your firm exactly what to build, in what order, and why. Before a developer writes a line of code, before an AI tool touches a workflow, before anyone clicks a configuration screen, the blueprint is the product. Every engagement produces the same set of deliverables in the same order. The executive future brief tells leadership what to stop doing. The current state truth map shows exactly how work moves today across every system. The future state operating model defines how the firm should work. The systems and data architecture locks the source of truth for every object. The handoff spec is implementation ready for your team, your developers, or your AI tools. The roadmap sequences everything. The decision register documents every decision made and every decision still needed. 5 steps in the same sequence every time. It starts with a free fit call, 20 to 30 minutes to confirm fit. If it makes sense, we move into the future design intensive paid sessions with the stakeholders who actually own the work. We synthesize everything into the blueprint, then the executive playback. A boardroom level presentation of every decision made and every decision still needed. After that, your team, your partners, or your AI tools execute. And if you want Lloyd Solves to stay as the architecture owner while others build, that is an option too. The Future Design Intensive puts the right people in the room. Managing partner, COO, intake lead, marketing lead, attorneys, and IT or admin. Not just leadership, not just tech, the people who own the work and the people who do the work in the same sessions, building the same picture of the future state for the first time. 3. Engagement tiers. The sprint is right for one focused problem, one workflow, one decision. The full blueprint is where most firms land. Multiple stakeholders, multiple systems, all 7 deliverables at full depth. The architecture partner tier is for firms that are already in build and need someone to stay as the architecture owner while developers, AI tools, and partners execute. Pricing is scoped on the fit call. Mark Whitehead and Associates ran this pattern. After their revenue architecture blueprint, referral source matters were up nearly 71% year over year. Time on desk down 30%. Manual data entry cut in half. Architecture first, then build. We use these numbers as pattern proof, not a promise. The same shape of result across more than 100 engagements. This is not for every firm. If your leadership team already has a shared, written, agreed upon picture of your future state operating model and a sequenced roadmap to build it, you may not need a blueprint. But if there is any ambiguity about what to build next, or why, or in what order, that ambiguity is not free. It compounds every week someone keeps clicking inside the wrong system. If any of this sounds like your firm, the next step is a free future design call. 20 to 30 minutes to confirm fit. No pitch, no proposal, no tools to evaluate. Just a clear diagnosis of whether you have an architecture problem or a build problem. Book at lloydsolves.com/contact. Or if you want to start on your own, the free future state decision worksheet is at lloydsolves.com/gifts.